Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Education. As we have been continuing with this trend of videos regularly, which is current affairs multi-choice question with explanation. So let us begin our today's video, starting with the first question, question number 1. Consider the following statements regarding Operation Green Scheme. Statement 1. It is being implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Statement 2. Scheme provides subsidy for transportation of eligible crops from surplus production cluster to consumption center. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option B 2 only. Operation Green Scheme is being implemented by the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. It has been extended from tomato, onion and potato crops to other notified horticulture crops for providing subsidy for their transportation and storage from surplus production area to major consumption centers. Eligible crops: fruits, mango, banana, guava, kiwi, lychee, papaya, citrus, pineapple, pomegranate, jackfruit. Vegetables: French beans, bitter gourd, brinjal, capsicum, carrot, cauliflower, chilies, okra, onion, potato and tomato. Eligible entities: food processors, FPO, FPC, cooperative societies, individual farmers, licensed commission agent, exporters, state marketing or cooperative federation, retailers, etc. engaged in processing or marketing of fruits and vegetables. Ministry will provide subsidy at 50% of the cost of two components subject to the cost norms: transportation of eligible crops from surplus production cluster to consumption center and or hiring of appropriate storage facilities for eligible crops for maximum period of 3 months. Question number 2. Lampedusa Island, sometimes seen in news, is located in option A Mediterranean Sea, option B Red Sea, option C Black Sea, option D Caspian Sea. The correct answer for this is Mediterranean Sea. Lampedusa is the largest island of the Italian Pelagi Islands in the Mediterranean Sea. It is the southernmost part of Italy and Italy's southernmost island. Tunisia is the closest landfall to the islands. Heading to the next question, we have question number 3. India and which country signed a memorandum of cooperation with Sri Lankan administration to jointly develop the East Container Terminal at the Colombo port? Option A China, option B USA, option C Australia, option D Japan. The correct answer for this is option D Japan. In 2019, the then Sri Lankan administration had signed a memorandum of cooperation with India and Japan to jointly develop and operate the East Container Terminal at the Colombo port. East Container Terminal is adjacent to the Chinese-run Colombo International Container Terminal at the Colombo port. Heading to the next question, question number 4. Consider the following statements regarding sample registration system in India. Statement 1. It is carried out by the Office of Registrar General and Census Commissioner, India. Statement 2. It provides annual estimates of birth rate, death rate, infant mortality rate, fertility and mortality indicators. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option C both 1 and 2. The sample registration system in India is carried out by the Office of Registrar General and Census Commissioner, India, with an objective of providing reliable annual estimates of birth rate, death rate, infant mortality rate, and various other fertility and mortality indicators at the state and national level. The system has a unique feature of dual recording, which involves continuous enumeration and retrospective half-yearly surveys. Registrar General of India has released the Sample Registration System Statistical Report 2018. Moving on to the next question, question number 5. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. The government recently approved the creation of InSpace, a space organization to ensure greater private participation in India's space activities. Statement 2. New Space India Limited is the only public sector company that serves as a marketing arm of ISRO. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option B, 2 only. The government recently approved the creation of a new organization to ensure greater private participation in India's space activities. The new Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center in Space, which is expected to be functional within 6 months, will assess the needs and demands of private players, including educational and research institutions, and explore ways to accommodate these requirements in consultation with ISRO. It is not that there is no private industry involvement in India's space sector. In fact, a large number of manufacturing and fabrication of rockets and satellites now happens in private sector. InSpace is supposed to be facilitator and also a regulator. It will act as an interface between ISRO and private parties and assess how best to utilize India's space resources and increase space-based activities. The private industry will also free up ISRO to concentrate on science, research and development, interplanetary exploration and strategic launches. InSpace is the second space organization created by the government in the last 2 years. In the 2019 budget, the government had announced the setting of a new Space India Limited (NSIL), a public sector company that would serve as a marketing arm of ISRO. Its main purpose is to market the technologies developed by ISRO and bring it more clients that need space-based services. That role, incidentally, was already being performed by Antrix Corporation, another PSU working under the Department of Science and which still exists. Heading to the next question, question number 6. According to data from the Office of the Registrar General India, which state in 2018 has highest infant mortality rate? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer for this is option C, Madhya Pradesh. The SRS 2018 released by the Office of Registrar General of India puts the infant mortality rate of Madhya Pradesh at 48 per 1000 live births, highest in the country and a point higher than the infant mortality rate of 2017, which was at 47 per live births. Kerala has the lowest infant mortality rate in India. Moving on to the next question, question number 7. Consider the following statements regarding the floating rate savings bonds 2020. Statement 1. These are to be issued by Securities and Exchange Board of India on behalf of the Government of India. Statement 2. The interest on the bonds is payable semi-annually and interest rate will be reset every 6 months. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer for this is option B, 2 only. Floating rate savings bonds 2020 are to be issued by Reserve Bank of India on behalf of the Government of India. It will enable person resident in India or Hindu undivided family to invest in a taxable bond without any monetary ceiling. The interest on the bonds is payable semi-annually on 1st January and 1st July every year. The coupon on 1st January 2021 shall be paid at 7.15%. The interest rate for next half year will be reset every 6 months, the first reset being on January 1, 2021. There is no option to pay interest on cumulative basis. Moving on to the next question. We have question number 8. Conger Valley National Park is situated in which of the following Indian state? Option A, Odisha. Option B, Chhattisgarh. Option C, Jharkhand. Option D, Telangana. The correct answer for this is option B, Chhattisgarh. Conger Valley National Park was declared a national park in 1982 by the Government of India. It is located near Jagdalpur in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh and is one of the densest national parks. The park is valley of Conger River. Moving on to the next question. Question number 9. Which of the following are correctly matched? Statement 1. Agni 5 beyond visual range air-to-air missile. Statement 2. Astra intercontinental ballistic missile. Statement 3. Marich advanced torpedo defense system. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 3 only. Option D all of the above. The correct answer for this is option C 3 only. Marich advanced torpedo defense system. The Agni 5 is a 3-stage solid-fueled intercontinental ballistic missile with approximate range of 5,500 to 5,800 km developed by DRDO. Astra is a beyond visual range air-to-air missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. It is the first air-to-air missile developed by India. Astra has been integrated with Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. Marich Advanced Torpedo Defense System is a torpedo detection and countermeasure system used by the Indian Navy. It has been developed as a joint project of the Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory, Kochi, and Naval Science and Technology Laboratory, Visakhapatnam. Moving on to the next question. Question number 10. Nikshay Poshan Yojana, sometimes seen in news, is related to option A. Reduce child mortality due to pneumonia. Option B. Provision of free dialysis services to the poor. Option C. National TB Elimination Program. Option D. National AIDS Control Program. The correct answer for this is option C. National TB Elimination Program. Nikshay is the web-enabled patient management system for TB control under the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program. It is developed and maintained by the Central TB Division, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, in collaboration with the National Informatics Center and the World Health Organization Country Office for India. Nikshay is used by health functionaries at various levels across the country, both in the public and private sector, to register cases under their care, other various types of tests from labs across the country, record treatment details, monitor treatment adherence, and to transfer cases between care providers. It also functions as the national TB surveillance system and enables reporting of various surveillance data to the Government of India. So this is it for today. And if you like the video, please like and share the video. This will keep us motivated to make more videos. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.